gets over.
Well, talking about the domestic earnings calendar, it's going to be all about IT next week when heavyweights like TCS, Infy, HCL Tech, Wipro and midcaps like Mindtree and Cyient report their numbers next week. I think we could just pull up that calendar, the IT earnings calendar, and then you will get the names and the dates along with it. But what are we going to watch beyond the numbers? One, up until now, the management commentary has been fairly positive. But since then, the macros in US and Europe have started to deteriorate. So will the positive management commentary hold even as the macros continue to deteriorate? And globally, clients have turned fairly cautious. So annual budgets for this year have remained intact. But what about for next year? Is there a risk that calendar year 2023, client budgets are cut, tech budgets have been brought down? That's a fear that the market has. Also, so far, the only two verticals which the companies have called out as red flags, one is mortgage business in the US due to rising interest rates, and the other one is retail, which has been hit by inflation. But are there any other verticals where we are seeing some signs of slowdown or weakness? UK and Europe roughly contributes about 25 to 30% of IT, large cap IT companies' earnings and revenues. Is there a risk of slowdown over there? Developments like Credit Suisse and what is happening impacts the BFSI sector. So commentary on BFSI is going to be watched very crucial. The street was banking on price increases, but now that clients are getting hit due to inflation and slowing demand, are they going to push back against a possible price increase? Are they going to resist a price increase that IT companies want to take? And finally, as the pressures on profitability continue to remain elevated or even mount, will the IT companies resort to deferring the fresher hiring? And there are a lot of reports that IT companies are slowing down on their fresher hiring. Despite giving an offer letter to employees, they're not upholding it. There is talk about how variable pay has also been cut. So the street is going to be watching the commentary on the supply side very closely, apart from, of course, the attrition number. But Vaibhav, you wanted? Yeah.
No. I mean, I think